I will practice medicine to the highest standards of conduct by doing what is the best for my patients and allowing neither greed nor miserliness nor thirst for great reputation to corrupt me. I will cultivate the virtues of integrity, honesty, compassion, courage, respect, and self-sacrifice in myself and in my colleagues. I will cherish the diversity among my patients and my colleagues, and will not tolerate any form of discrimination or harassment. I will always seek to learn from the knowledge, wisdom, experience of my mentors. May I never forget the medical education is a privilege bestowed on me by those who have entrusted their well-being and the well-being of others to me. Today is the first step in a lifetime of learning, and I promise to honor the rich traditional embodies in learning the art of science of medicine in Shohid Tajuddin Ahmed Medical College, Gazipur. প্রত্যেকে তোমাদের নাম এখানে আই অ্যাফার্ম দিস ডে এখানে তোমরা নিজেরা ডেট দিয়ে স্বাক্ষর করে দেবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ অল।